Imagine you're cruising down the highway enjoying the drive when suddenly your car feels sluggish, the shifting gets rough, or that dreaded check engine light pops onto your dashboard. It's the kind of thing that ruins your day instantly, right? If you've plugged in a scanner and pulled up the code P2671, you're probably dealing with an issue in the actuator supply voltage B circuit. Now, do not let that technical jargon scare you off. Basically, your car's brain, the ECM or engine control module, is constantly talking to various sensors and actuators to make sure everything runs smoothly. In this specific case, it is noticed that the voltage in a specific circuit labeled B is higher than it should be. It's like trying to push too much water through a hose. Eventually, something's going to give. While this is often a transmission-related issue causing those drivability headaches, I've actually seen this pop up as an EVAP system code on certain European models, so it's super important to double-check your specific service manual before you start tearing things apart. The severity here is moderate, but if it's affecting your transmission, you really don't want to ignore it, because driving with a jerky transmission can lead to much more expensive repairs down the road. So where do you start? First, grab your scanner and clear the code. Then take a drive to see if it comes back. If it does, your next move is a visual inspection. You'd be surprised how often road debris, dirt, or even ice can damage the wiring harnesses routed under your vehicle. Get underneath there and look for any chafed wires or broken insulation. I've seen wires that looked fine on the outside, but were corroded on the inside, so check those connectors carefully. If you see any green powder, that's corrosion, and it's a major red flag. If the wiring looks good, you might need to test the actuator itself with a multimeter to see if the resistance values match what the manufacturer specified. It's a bit of detective work, but finding a burnt wire or a loose pin can save you a fortune compared to replacing a whole computer module. Remember, don't just throw parts at it. Verify the failure first.